Today I'm going to share with you some inspiration from the Crafters Companion Gatefold dies. These are Gatefold word, sentiment, and stamp dies. And there are about 5 in the collection. I have 4 here with me. I purchased these myself and I am sharing them with you as a crafting inspiration. So this one is called Home, and then it has inside of it stamps for happy and new. This one is called Love, and it has stamps in it for with lots of and I love. So you can get I love you. Then we have Thanks a Bunch, and this one comes with the words a bunch, and also it looks like very much. And this one is Wish, so it has make a and wish big. So these are the 4 that I have in the collection. I believe there's also one called Luck, and it has a couple of stamps called Good and Wishing You Lots of. Okay, let's take a few minutes to walk through some of my makes using this die collection. Remember, there are 4 dies in the set. And so let's just kind of walk through them. The first one I did was Thanks a Bunch, and I used pearlized white paper, and you can see it just opens up like that. This kit really gives you an opportunity to experiment with a lot of different papers in your stash. So here I use like teal green and argyle, and then for the inside sentiments I use this sentiment pad that I think I picked up on Crafters Companion. It's called Trim Me. And then it has the trim guides on the inside, so that kind of helps you just put these sentiments on the inside, so these cards open up like that. So then we have Wish, and this one I did with the Glittering Snowflake Collection from last year, using the green paper and then green and silver snowflakes. And then I took the word Wish and mounted it with a silver cardstock and stamped it on the inside. You can see we did some matting and layering on the inside as well. Then I took this one, Wish, also with Glittering Snowflake, and used this deep purple Centura Pearl paper. Now, instead of leaving this open like I did on the Wish card, I just glued this down. So now it just opens like a regular card. And again, sent with love and best wishes. So this is again that sentiment, the Trim Me foiled insert pad sentiments. Okay, then we have Love. And so this one, I used Garden of Love. That's what this pink is. And then we have gold embossing folder. And then we have an edge here. So I cut this edge out of pink and put that on top of it. I haven't added a sentiment yet, but this is with the Love die. And then with this one, I wanted to do something different, like with the sleeve. So you can also cut these so that they make a sleeve. And so, let's see, it goes over like that. Am I doing it upside down? Is it like that? No, it's this way. Fits in there like that. So then you can make a nice little sleeve. So I just did mine in gold, and then you have the card. I have some extra folds in there because I had a little trouble trying to get it to the right size. And then it's just embellished or embossed with a Crafters Companion 3D embossing folder. So let's put all of this back together and off to the side. So also in the kit is this home die, Happy New Home. So we see that we have inside of here the instructions for the exclusive extra project, I guess. So on one side we have the instructions for 8.5 by 11 paper, and then on the other side we have the A4 paper for UK. Then we have the die, and we have Happy New Home. So what I'm thinking I want to do is make my card base with this blue, and then use this these embellishments and paper from the NitWit Homebody collection, because what's better for a happy new home card than the Homebody Collection. So let's put those off to the side and grab these instructions for the, let's see, the 8.5 by 11 paper. And I'm going to get my We Are Memory scoreboard, which is a little worse for wear, but gets the job done. So according to our instructions, it wants us to do a score line. Oh no, I'm sorry. Trim it to 5.25. So let's do that first. Let's trim our paper down to 5 1/4. And then from there, we start doing our score lines. Turn piece of trimmed card so that the long side is on the score vertically at 1 and 1.5. So 1.5 over 1.5. So we have 3 3/8. You see those are your outside flaps. And then we come over to 7 1/8. So this section, which is around about 4 inches, is going to be our inside. And then 9. Okay. Next step is secure the dies and use the die cutting machine. So we're going to put our dies on these edges, and you can see that this is a little big, but it's going to get cut off right there, so that's not a problem for us. And you kind of want to make sure that you have your die in these grooves, and also find a spot where you're going to be able to make sure that they're on the same level on each side. So now our card is coming together. You can fold this back. Back. Hold forward. And there we go. So now we will work on our embellishments. But the basic idea of what I want to do, so with the layout there, so now we're going to start cutting our paper. This first piece to cover up the 2 sides needs to be, I want it to be from these corner ends, and it needs to be 2 by 6. So I'm going to cut it at 4 inches. By 6. And then 2 inches. So now I have, oh right, this one we cut at 5.25. So let's trim that again. I'm gonna cut the design off the bottom because I want to do embellishments. So let's start getting these embellishments down. Okay, let's quickly take a look at this one. So we added the door and the tree and flower embellishment, happy home, and then when you open it up, congratulations on moving into your new home. May it bring happiness year after year. So that is a stamp from Versus, and then like the purple binder from Crafters Companion, and something funky's going on with my Spectrum Noir die. I don't know if it's the paper or what, but that just seems pretty inky. But anyway, so this is home gatefold die using the NitWit Homebody Collection. I hope you enjoy this video. Pop below and leave me a message letting me know what which is your favorite if you have one. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and also the notifications button. And you will be notified when we record new videos. Thanks for joining me today. This is Just Crafty Chantel.